present with us today, Excellency Sri Bhupendra Patel, Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, Srimati Raksha Khadse, Honorable Minister of State for Youth Affairs and Sports, Shri Jaideep Majmudar, Secretary East, Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India, Mr. Vishal Kumar Agrawala, CII past national chairs, Namaste and a very good morning to all. It is with immense pleasure that I address you today at the first ever BIMSTEC Youth Summit. This summit holds tremendous significance for all of us as we come together to exchange ideas, forge new partnerships, and pave the way for sustainable development in our region. We share deep-rooted historical and cultural connections that trace back to ancient times. We share a common heritage that binds our people together. The Bay of Bengal has long served as a crucial link between South and Southeast Asia, forming part of major trade routes like the Silk Route and the Maritime Spice Route. These exchanges have strengthened economic ties and cultural understanding across our nations. Since BIMSTEC formation in 1997, we have come to long way. BIMSTEC region is home to around 1.8 billion peoples, nearly 22% of the global population, and combined GDP of $4.5 trillion. It is not just a regional grouping, it is a shared vision for economic prosperity, security, and sustainable development. It is at the fourth BIMSTEC Summit in Kathmandu in 2018 that Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, envisioned greater youth engagement within the BIMSTEC framework, leading to this inception of this very summit. This summit is a step toward empowering young minds across BIMSTEC nations, encouraging collaboration, sharing experience, and driving youth-led development across the region. Over the last decade, India has undergone a remarkable transformation, making significant strides in economic growth. The nation has evolved from being one of the fragile 5 economies to become one of the top 5 economies in the world. With our sights set on achieving a 7 trillion economy by 2030 and $30 trillion economy by 2047. India's growth story is deeply driven by the aspirations, skills, and innovation of our youth. Developed countries are reaching a demographic impasse. This poses a significant opportunity all BIMSTEC nations. India has one of the youngest populations globally, with a median age of 28 years and over 65% of the populations under the age of 35 years. Similarly, BIMSTEC nations collectively hold over 60% of their populations under 35, thus presenting an opportunity for collective growth and development. The latest World Economic Forum's Future of Job reports projects that 170 million new jobs will be created globally by 2030 due to rapid advancement in automation and artificial intelligence. The global demand for skilled professionals is increasing with 11.1 million blue collar workers and 10.9 million white collar professionals needs worldwide. Equipping our youth with the necessary skills to navigate this dynamic and increasingly digital world is essential for staying competitive. For this, India has taken various initiatives to bridge the skill gap from National Education Policy 2020 to Skill India Mission. Under the Skill India scheme, more than 15 million youth have been trained in artificial intelligence, robotics, and digital technologies, equipping them with industry-relevant skills and preparing them for the future job market. As a result of these initiatives, the employability of Indian graduates has seen a significant rise over the past decade, increasing from 33.95% in 2013 to 54.81% in 2024, marking a 61% improvement in job readiness. To further expand our efforts in job readiness, we launched PM Internship Scheme in 2024, offering 10 million young Indians paid internships in the top 500 companies, giving them exposure to industry's dynamics. India's startups ecosystem is another statement to the power of youth-driven growth. India has the third largest startup ecosystem globally. Today, the country is home to over 1.57 thousand registered startups, with 48% featuring at least one woman director, reflecting a thriving and inclusive startup landscape. To strengthen Make for India, Make for the World, India is establishing 5 national centers of excellence, leveraging global expertise to equip youth with advanced manufacturing skill. We have set up a national platform called My Bharat for youth engagement, uniting and mobilizing youth, ensuring their active participation in shaping India's future. This platform has already registered 15 million youth actively engaged in nation building. My Bharat is designed to ensure that the youth grow through leadership and experiential learning, volunteering, and mentoring. It is developing into a one-stop platform for the youth to access opportunity offered by the government, engaging and NGOs, paving way for holistic preparedness of the visionary youth for the country. For any and all challenges that may come. This year in January, we conducted the first ever nationwide event, Viksit Bharat Young Leader Dialogue, that promoted active youth participation and youth leadership. From planning to execution, everything was carried out by the young My Bharat volunteers. Over 3 million youth participated in the event, engaging in various stages of the challenges. Young leaders got opportunity to present their ideas of India as the 2047 directly to Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. India has always stood by its neighbors during challenging time. During the COVID-19 pandemic, when the world struggled to secure vaccines, India not only met its own domestic needs, but also supported the world, including its neighbors, by providing them with the necessary dose to help in the fight against the pandemic. India administered a record 2,200 million COVID vaccines and supplied over 301.2 million vaccines across 101 countries under Vaccine Maitri programs. India has prioritized engagement and cooperation with BIMSTEC through our neighborhood first and look east policies. Through a collective and forward-looking approach, BIMSTEC nations can drive inclusive growth and ensure a bright future for the region. The theme of this year's summit, Youth Bridge for Intra-BIMSTEC Exchange, is both timely and significant. Through BIMSTEC Youth Bridge, envision transformative platforms that moves beyond traditional cultural and academic exchange to build a dynamic, multi-sectoral regional youth ecosystem. By integrating entrepreneurship, sports, academia, and technology, this initiative will create a future-ready network, empowering young leaders across BIMSTEC nations. India's bid for the 2036 Olympics will further strengthen the BIMSTEC sporting ecosystem, attracting global investments, enhancing training facilities, and fostering international sporting partnership. This will open new avenues for young athletes, promoting exchange and regional collaboration in sports. By working together, BIMSTEC nations can drive inclusive growth, harness the potential of youth, and ensure bright futures for the region. India is committed to playing a leading role in this journey, offering its expertise, resources, and vision to strengthen regional cooperation. BIMSTEC is not just about governments working together. It is about connecting peoples, empowering youth, and building a future shared of prosperity. Thank you very much.